All right, guys, so we're currently having Ice-mageddon here in Texas, and instead of taking the Miata, we're gonna take the lifted 240 SX. We got a tow strap, we got 4-wheel drive, we have absolutely no heater, and we're just gonna go up to Denton today, which is about like an hour drive, maybe 2 hours with snow, and try and help some people. So that's kind of the goal. Where'd Justin go? You ready, dude?
I got my mittens.
Your bitch mittens?
They're just mittens. How many fingers am I holding up, Gabe?
All 4.
Nope. Holding up 2.
All right, let me get my 3rd jacket. Part of being a Texan is whenever it snows, we never have proper winter clothes, so we just have layers of different hoodies and jackets on. And my fingers are already cold. You ready, bro?
As ready as I can get.
Any guesses the kind of adventure we're gonna see today? Any guesses?
Ditch.
This guy's he's stuck the worst so far. Number 3.
Adventures.
Ditch.
Ditch. I got my ditch mittens. We'll see.
Let's do it. Let's go. So guys, to put the 240 in 4-wheel drive, all you gotta do is use this really easy to use redneck vacuum shifter thingy-majigger. So here you go. We just turn the vacuum on and then close it, and now we're in 4-wheel drive.
And those go right on up into mystery land.
Yep, I'll do it. All right, we made it to Noah's house. He is definitely doing schoolwork. And we're here to bother him. Justin, don't fall. You got arthritis and you're too old to be falling.
No.
Dude, this is bad, bro.
You're right, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Police, open up. Police, open up.
This is an apartment. I hope it is.
Housekeeping.
I hope it's not an apartment.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your window, you dumb hoe. He's probably asleep. We just drove 40 miles and he's not coming to the door.
Some middle-aged man opens the door. What are you gonna do?
Oh God, it's 3 flights of stairs. I'm gonna have to take the shot.
Dude, the 240 is getting so many looks today. Look at that thing. This guy's like, dang, dude, is that electric?
Oh yeah.
It's working. The wipers are working. Look at that, guys. We got windshield wipers. See, it's not completely illegal.
Oh, back off. Ah, we got wipers.
Open your door. Open your door. Open your door.
What's up, dude? Dude, we thought you were passed out, bro.
Not today, bro.
You ready, Noah? You ready, bro?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
We got the, what's it called again?
The rice, bro.
Is it literally rice?
It's just rice in a bag that you microwave and then becomes a hand warmer.
I didn't know it was actually rice.
It's actually rice, yeah. Justin, don't bust ass. Don't bust ass. I busted ass. Oh, ow.
Oh my god.
You boys ready?
Yeah, it was bad.
You boys ready? Oh my god. Dude, I'm gonna be the one getting sprayed here, man. I'm like,
No, it comes straight to you.
All right, guys, we got Noah in the 240. Let's go save some people.
So we got just going around.
Yeah, you're the first one who's been able to help.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is the worst road we've come across so far.
Yeah. Well, I actually drove from Carrollton all the way here.
Oh yeah?
Highway's good.
Yeah. We came from North Richland Hills. And it was, yeah, it wasn't too bad all the way up here.
First one.
Yes, sir. Perfect. That ought to do her. That did it. I'm telling you, man, Atwoods is the best place to buy stuff.
What's your name? Nick. Gabe, good to meet you.
Justin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. I'm Noah.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, Noah, what do you want me to do? Get the seat up? All right, well,
All right.
find out if we got a tow hook.
Toe number 2.
Just back her up, keep the wheel straight. Oh yeah. There you go. Easy.
2 down.
Hell yeah. No problem, bud.
Have a good one.
We'll try. Ain't make no promises.
You got a tow rope. No, it's for 20,000 pounds. All right, this guy's he's stuck the worst so far. Number 3. Cows in support. So, this gentleman does not have any tow hooks on this. Is it a Ford Expedition? Or
It sounds like an expedition, or it looks like an expedition.
I don't know why Ford would make an SUV that has no tow hooks in Texas, but it has no tow hooks. So, we got a chain and my 20,000 pound rope. Hopefully it works.
All here. Man.
That got it.
I don't know if he's good or not.
I don't know if he's good yet.
Oh man, dude, he is not going anywhere. We got him out of the ditch and he's just spinning. He's just spinning.
Yeah, man, this is pretty bad. The roads are just awful.
All right, we tried to drop Noah off and there's like 4 cars in his apartment complex that are stuck. So we're gonna try to unstick all these people. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Don't hit the brake. Keep going, don't hit the brake. Don't hit the brake. Yep, keep going. Okay, this is number 3. Subarus, man, it's a car to get. Oh, that's sketchy, okay. I think this is number 7.
A recovery channel or what?
Yeah, we are automotive YouTube channel. It's called Novice Garage. You can look it up. Yeah. We all going parking spot or what?
I'm trying to get out. Yeah.
Okay, right on.
Just once we get you going, don't stop, man. Keep it a little bit more. Yeah.
Like butter.
Hell yeah. No problem.
Saving the world one step at a time. Oh, that's a curb.
Feather the gas pedal.
Nice save. Nice save. Okay, number 8.
See if you can reverse first.
Justin, catch my phone.
No.
Yeah.
It has a case on it.
Just
It's
get
okay.
and then just
I trust
see if
you.
can pull it back
I
out.
trust you. Ready?
Oh, there we go. Okay, awesome. All right, let me. Okay.
Yeah, just give it a little.
Watch out. We gotta come. Don't come this way. Oh, there he goes. Uh-oh, you're coming too fast. You're coming too fast.
No,
You're coming too fast. Oh, my goodness.
We're good.
Oh, God. Stop. Stop. Dude. Woo. Okay, yeah, what I was thinking is if we can't get traction, shove the edge of this up under that tire. No, it's getting that other tire there. I'm telling you. Oh. Shoot.
This phone's really bad.
Really? Really? Not over here. Yeah. Avoid this at all costs. Dude don't give a shit, does he? Watch out. Oh! 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 Okay, my goal, make it there. Oh no. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's the way that's done. That would be the curb. Okay, sidewalk. Sliding on nice and take out a knee. I'm coming too, I ain't even trying. Heck yeah. Are you locked in four-wheel drive? Oh, you all right, dude?
You the man, bro. Oh, yeah. All right.
All right, don't go yet. We got to unhook you. Our safe word is quiche.
Good job. You're good right there. You're good right there. We just pulled out more cars out of this apartment complex than we have the entire day. Go team.
And mind you, I'm just saying, hey, we're next to a college, and I've never pulled out more at a college before in my life.
So,
did you really use a C-clamp to tie off to that car?
I didn't have a D-ring.
Well, a C-ring, I guess, works.
C-ring, yeah. That, a D-clamp, a C-clamp, a D-ring, same thing.
I guess it's a come-out clamp.
I had to resort to driving on the curb to get her out. You're in the video.
No, stop it.
So the 240 started making a really bad whining noise from the transmission, and turns out there's no fluid in the transmission. So we're gonna put fluid in the transmission because transmissions need fluid. Transmissions need fluid. Okay. Okay, so Reed Timmer just passed by us. I finally got to meet Reed Timmer. I've been wanting to meet this guy since I was like 7 years old. But anyways, he asked us if we're doing donuts, and I didn't even hear him ask that question. So he's flying the drone right now. I'm gonna go ask him if he wants us to do donuts for the camera. So we're gonna give it a shot. However, I don't know where he went, and I can't see out the windshield. All right, boys, I'm gonna go ask him.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Dude, yeah. Man, how?
All the way up there. That's an awesome vehicle.
Thanks, yeah. We live in Fort Worth, so we've been pulling out people all day yesterday.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. I storm chase with him, so we
That's
try and take
awesome.
advantage of all the weather stuff. So
You chasing this a lot?
it's next on the list. It's
Yeah.
next on the list. It has no speedometer, no fuel gauge, it has nothing, but it's street legal, so
Wow. Did you
four-wheel
build
drive. I bought it from a guy in Oklahoma, and
Really?
we put a new V8 in it and a paint job, and yeah, so
Wow, I
it's
love it.
fun. But yeah, I was gonna see. I can do some donuts for your drone if you want.
Yeah, that'd be
Yeah,
cool.
yeah, I'm down.
All right. Where are you
down.
gonna do it?
I can probably just like in the middle of the intersection's good. So
Okay.
But yeah, man, take your time. So.
Okay. Want me to get it up in the air again?
Oh, you just took it down?
Yeah,
it's up to you.
The gimbal gets iced up.
Oh, right on. No, it's up to you. No pressure. Just
Yeah.
I thought I'd offer. So.
I'd love to.
Okay, let's do it.
Where would you start?
Just probably right there.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll just
so-
get the bird in the air right here
Yep.
then?
Yep, and then like right
follow
where
you.
that black sign is.
Okay.
I'll just do it right there. There's plenty of space.
All right, let me get a new battery.
Cool. Sounds good.
Once I get it up, that'll be sweet.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. My life is complete. Reed Timmer is having me do donuts for his video.
Weed trimmer, dude.
Weed trimmer.
Like literally, we were just sitting around the intersection, and we're like, some dude just pulls up, and we're like, is that Reed Timmer?
Yeah.
Freaking Reed Timmer.
I know. I was like, dude, I wanted to meet him so bad. And then he pulls up right next to us.
Exactly, dude. Exactly.
First thing he asked, does that thing do donuts? Heck
Yep.
yeah, it does.
We're about to do it on Furnace Stream. Let's do it.
Oh, dude, that was literally probably the best day of my life so far. I'm probably slightly exaggerating, but that was so cool. Not only did I get to meet the guy that I've literally watched growing up on TV and Storm Chasers, but I did donuts for him in his video. That was dope. And Noah got his phone number. I'm proud of you, Noah. Noah, we can't see you, but I'm happy for you, bro. Dude, Reed was like, if y'all want to go storm chasing, let me know. Here's my phone number. Hey, may have been a WhatsApp. I hope not, but no, I'm playing. Reed, if you're watching this, thank you. You're awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. All right, we're gonna try and make it home with no defrost. I cannot see anything right now. That's all right. We got windshield wipers. Gabby, how you feeling?
Yeah, I want to go home.
Well, we're going, just not very fast. Oh.